you how to use the frame tool in the Photoshop app. First we have to open up the app, and here we have an image. From here we just go in the left column, click on the frame tool, which is this one. Now we are going to draw a frame like this. Let's make it a bit smaller. And here, this is how it's going to work. We can move an image inside of the frame. I mean, we can draw a frame over an image and then have the part that overlaps be cut out. So if we draw another frame, for example here, it's going to cut out that part of the image. You just have to work on the corresponding layer. Let's see, like this. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.